Dr. Zakir, in the case of a woman who's on her menses, going through her period, menstrual cycle, can she fast these first 6 days of Shawwal before she makes up the fasts which she missed due to the period in Ramadan?
As far as a lady who has undergone menstrual cycle, and if she misses maybe 6 fasts in the month of Ramadan, she has both the options. She can either make up the fast of Ramadan first and then fast the fast of Shawwal, or she can first do the 6th fast of Shawwal and then make up for the fast that she has missed. But as far as permissibility is concerned, both are permissible. But the better would be that first she makes up for the fast she has missed in the month of Ramadan, because that's an obligatory fast. The fast of Shawwal is a voluntary fast. First she should make up for the fast that's better, and then she should fast the fast of Shawwal, so that she would be able to fulfill the benefits as our beloved Prophet ﷺ said. It's mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, hadith number 2614, that the beloved Prophet ﷺ said that anyone who fasts the month of Ramadan and then follows it up with 6 fasts in the month of Shawwal, it's as though he has fasted for the full year or he has fasted perpetually for the full life. So better of the two is that she first makes up the fast for Ramadan and then later on she fasts the 6 days of Shawwal, so that she gets the full benefit, she gets the full sawab, she gets the full reward, as though she has fasted for the full year or she has fasted the full life. But if she wants to first keep the fast of Shawwal and then make up for the fast of Ramadan, maybe after a couple of months, even that's permissible. But the better is the first one. Or she has one more option, that she can do the niyyah of making up for the fast which she didn't keep in the month of Ramadan, and even together with that, do the niyyah of Shawwal. So it's 2 in 1, and inshallah Allah will reward her for both together.
Jazakallah khair for the answer, Doctor.